part of the IBDA means a lot to Leonard's and to me personally as well. I've been coming to IBDA with my family. We've been members for quite a long time, and I've been coming since I was young. And I've learned just about everything I know about the beverage industry as a whole through IBDA and through the networking and the relationships that we've created by being members of the IBDA. So professionally, it's invaluable. I learned just about anything, any questions I have, anything that I need to just run by a peer that's unbiased and willing to help out. The IBDA provides such a great network of people and of companies that are just like yourselves or like the company that you're at, and it really just provides an invaluable networking relationship. And
Well, I've really enjoyed being a part of this organization for the past few years. When I joined, I was newer to the beverage world. So, what I really appreciate is the ability to learn from others in this industry, not just in my gas industry, but everyone who touches the beverage world. If I've got something that I'm working on, there's definitely a wealth of experience that I can lean on. Someone else has been in my shoes before and dealt with similar issues. So all the experience that I can tap on in this group is what I've really appreciated.